to my channel. Please like, subscribe, and also press the bell icon. So today's topic is about general video about in the market correction. So if you're a long-term investor, you don't need to get scared. Always you can uh, relax by looking at the history of the Sensex or the Nifty movements. If you can see here, I think it started from 1979 till 2019 journey because I have the graph only till then. So if you see here, it was 1000 at when it was in 1989. From here, if you can see, it always goes up, and market will find one or the other reason to come down. Until goes up, it will come down. It will goes up, come down like that. I mean, you can see in a short period of time, it looks like it is a big correction, but market always works like that. If we can see here also, it has gone up and it has come down. It has gone up, come down, and it has gone up, it has come down like that. So it has always done the same thing. Even if you see 2020 onwards graph also, I think it has fallen down too much. So how does the market work? I think this is you need to remember this chart as well, which I'll show you now. Uh, this one, this is very very important. So the problem is, I think it will start with the optimism. So people always think that okay, if the market start going up, your mind will think that okay, this will keep on going like that. So people are never take a minute of pause or break to think also that okay, the market is overvalued, it will come down like that. So it always works the same way. That too for retail investors, we don't have the control. If you see the mutual fund houses, when the market was at all-time high, some of the mutual fund houses even stopped taking the money into the small cap fund, and also they were going into the cash. But in case of retail investors, what will happen when the market is going up? If the price has gone too high, we will start thinking multiple reasons to keep on investing. So this is what is actually shown here. This is, you have to remember this, greed versus fear. Yeah. There is also saying actually from Warren Buffett, when you are greedy, when people are greedy, you have to be fearful, and when people are fearful, you have to be greedy like that. So that always you can keep in mind. So this is what it always works. There will be a lot of enthusiasm will be there, and then people keep on keep on investing, pumping the money when the market start going up. There's a lot of euphoria is created when it gone to eye level. For example, in our case, if you see, it has gone all the way till 88,000 Sensex. So then when it started correcting, I think the anxiety will start. I think that is what is happening. We are still in the anxiety mode. If you see from 88,000 to 76,000 or something, it's just barely 10 to 15%. I think this is not a correction at all. If you see, during COVID, it was 35,000 or something. It has gone all the way up to 88,000. It's almost like 100, more than 100% up. So in that, only 15% is corrected. It's nothing actually. That's why the people, anxiety has started now. So there is also could be fear as well started. I think either we are in this mode or in this mode, depending on the person. I think some people are already in the fear mode or panic mode. You can see maybe here as well. So that's why the market is coming down. People are either started selling, or maybe they are really getting scared. So this is the time when you have to be very much, you should have the greediness or to buy the good stocks. If you can just go to Google and search 52-week low stocks, you will find n number of companies which you wanted to buy at 52-week high. They all come down to 52-week low. So there actually you use your own criteria, whether multiple criteria are there to find out the right stock. Either you can use a low P stock, good management, 50% or 50% promoter holding. Just to give an example, these are some of the factors you can use. Good ROE, good ROCE, low dipped company, and all these companies you can search. And out of the list, whatever you get 52-week lows stock, you can start picking up. Not just at one go. You can keep on. If you wanted to buy, for example, 1 lakh, you split it into five. This one splits 20,000. You buy it now. So let's wait for one more month. You buy 20,000 like that. If you can split for 25 times, if you buy, so definitely it will give you this one. Even if the market comes down, you will get it at good price. Even if it goes up, you are happy. You are kind of you are buying at the uh, average up. You're doing it. So that is what this thing. So afterwards, there will be always be discouragement will be there, dismay will be there. Definitely, I think it will come back. That's what this graph shows. Whenever the market comes down, it will always come up. I think this is what my I wanted to make this video. So don't get fully scared. And there are also optimism. You can see. Just let me go to Google and show you the Sensex prediction for this year. I think this news article just published 2 hours back. So Morgan Stanley has given a target of 1,05,000 for the Sensex. That is by end of this December end. You can just click this article and in the ET now it is there. That is also today it has been published and you can see the prediction. Apart from that, there is also an article actually here by sorry, Mr. Ved. Iran Ved, Director and Chief Investment Officer, expect the Benjamin. So you can see here it says 1 lakh to Christmas 2025. He's also saying that it will hit 1 lakh mark. So that is what always it will always come back and it will keep going up. It's like a bouncing ball. If you stretch the ball down and it will also go up like that. If it is corrected by 15%, it will go up. There are also good uh, reasons also the market to come back. Financials and all. For example, RBI can cut the repo rate. This is one reason, and budget is coming. They're also thinking that okay, they can increase the tax limit of the employees to 15 lakh or something. Till then, there is no tax, something like that. It's coming up. Definitely in the budget, they're going to announce some initiative to increase the spending of the people. And apart from that, I think the reason is also Trump is coming in US. That's why FIs are keep on selling it and they're taking back the money to US. That's also one reason. I think there is a lot of sell off happening. But it's always look at this chart. When it is selling off happening, you should always feel happy and you should average out. If you are a salaried person, of course you will get the regular income. So you whatever the stock holdings are there, if it is fundamentally good, you can average out. I think that is what I would recommend. And the last part is actually on the also Sensex value and P ratio. So if you can see, this is the Sensex graph. So you can see that from 85,000 it has come down. But if you see the P ratio of the Sensex, it was an average actually 23 or something was there. It has come down little bit. But if you see only in 2020, it was come down to 18. But it is not either overvalued or it's not undervalued as well. I think it is at the median. I think you don't need to get scared. I think definitely as I said, you can search some good companies which are corrected a lot and you can start accumulating in a SIP way. So this is the right time when the others are fearful. You have to be greedy. Thanks for now. Bye.